You got water in there? Should have had water in there first, big dog.
Concrete is on the way.
Why do we have a second
Why do we got a second truck? Because we ran a half yard short and it's probably just gonna be one buggy full.
I think we just use all this for parking back here.
Yeah, but the problem is with this parking, it's hard to get in and out.
Do it all, boys.
Get it done.
Welcome to the outdoor hustle. Like that.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is the Outdoor Hustle.
It is Tuesday morning. I am going to go hang out with the 513 pool guys. They're working on the vinyl liner pool project down in Delhi. I think they're doing vermiculite today. They did the concrete pads and all the stuff around the walls last week. It's a little bit of a different process, but I'm excited to check it out and see what the guys are up to. So let's go.
What up, boys? Good to see you guys too. All right.
What up, big dog?
Said what's up? No one answered me.
I didn't hear you. Another day in paradise.
Of course. So what's all this for?
We gotta chop it down for the vermiculite. But it's just in order to get in here with all the rain and how wet it was, it had to be built up.
Well, it's about to rain again.
Oh, yeah.
Next couple days. What's that?
Vermiculite.
Oh, that's the vermiculite.
See how heavy it is?
Oh my. That's light.
Yeah. So when we start with this right there. You got water in there? Should have had water in there first, big dog. I don't know what it is about this week, but it is moving so slow. I was just talking with John in the office and it feels like Friday, but it's only Wednesday. We have 3 full days of work still. So I am going to head down towards the west side of Cincinnati, hang out with the concrete guys. They have a pour, doing a little patio underneath the deck, and we're also doing a retaining wall there. So I think concrete should be showing up here any minute. So.
Concrete is on the way.
These don't seem too bad of a pour.
Nah, that video I watched, that's what they did. Oh. Okay, move the truck.
Ese balcón.
Why do we got a second truck? Because we ran a half yard short, and it's probably just gonna be one buggy full.
We'll catch them on the flip. Like and subscribe.
214. Deuces.
I mean, it'd be a few more spots.
Here's what I'm thinking. I don't know if this is a great idea, but what if we build a retaining wall like like 4 foot off of the house?
Yeah.
Right here. Knock all this down level, the entire yard level.
Yeah.
And now this whole entire side right here, right up against the retaining wall,
Yeah.
can be parking.
Parking.
Right up against the
And
retaining
we
wall.
still have material over there.
And
We can
then
have
there's
more
enough
parking over
room
there.
for material and still enough room to loop
To
around
loop, yeah.
because now we've pushed this back all the way. I think this makes more sense. It's out of the way.
Yeah. No, I like
Parking
that.
back there, it doesn't really make sense.
And
Because,
there's propane lines right here, so that shouldn't affect anything.
yeah, should be fine.
Okay.
For this year, I think we're gonna probably
Yeah.
hire
We need to.
maybe 3 more guys
Yeah.
at least,
Some foremen.
and another salesman
Yep.
for sure, and possibly another
Operator.
door knocker too. If,
That's going great.
Depending, I know.
That's awesome. He killed it
Crazy.
yesterday.
Yeah, I know.
Half day.
First day door knocking. You know, we started door knocking just to generate leads. First day, he goes out, knocks on about 40 doors or so, and he actually books 5 appointments out of those 40 doors.
That's insane.
Yeah, I know. He's great at it.
Yeah.
But it's working, so we're gonna keep doing it.
Yep. Absolutely.
Might as well.
Yeah, half day actually. You're right, Brandon. It was only half.
Yeah,
day.
after lunch.
He's
It
a
was
great ad, too.
5 hours total, 5 appointments. So I was like, that's 1 appointment an hour on
crazy.
average. It's crazy. So we're gonna keep
That
doing
definitely
that.
worked out. Yeah.
We're not gonna stop doing that. That's the point.
A hold of us, right? I mean, just stand here and look at that, dude. It looks like
It's worse than I thought.
that's Mount Everest.
The other idea I was thinking was, what if we built a retaining wall right here, like really close to the house? So, but I'm saying 4 foot off the house.
Yeah, right there.
like right here.
90 it.
I think we just use all this for parking back here.
Yeah, but the problem is with this parking, it's hard to get in and out. Maybe though,
But
like
if you
you
built
said,
this wall and we
if we
backed in
graveled
here-
this, yeah, you could back some cars in
Yeah.
and then they could pull back out that way and loop it.
Yeah.
Even without a wall. But if we build a wall, I'd want to do it right because eventually we're gonna probably put a barn or everything. A lot of chaos going. Fuel companies showing up. Crane companies here dropping trees with the tree company. Shout out Ziegler. I think they're called Ziegler Nursery for whatever reason, but they cut down trees. So, for the best.
It's concrete day. So we're gonna start back there, wheelbarrow this all the way to here, do that back section as well, and then we'll be able to buggy the rest.
Yes,
trucks down. Got another one at 12:30. We'll come back next week and check out how it went.